Hey everybody, you see that? This is going to be some delicious budget brisket. It's a hard economy out there. We got to do what we can. Stick around, we're going to show you how to make some delicious chuck roast into world-class brisket. What we have here is some delicious poor man's brisket. Call it budget brisket. Super delicious, friends. Really easy to make. You know, brisket is so expensive nowadays. Chuck roast is too, but not as much as brisket. So if you want to make some delicious food and you're on a budget, then try some of this. You can't go wrong. Pretty simple. Just to recap, what we did was we got our chuck roast, we marinated it for 24 hours with our 2 seasonings right here. We threw it right on the grill for using the snake method. We started the charcoal on one side. We had to go all the way around in that drip pan. We caught all those juices. And we also sprayed it about every 2 hours after it was cooking for about 1 hour with this ACV water ratio of 60-40. This helped keep it hydrated and let it absorb some more of that smoke flavor as it was cooking. But after about 4 hours, or doing it twice, we stopped spraying it because we wanted to preserve that bark so it's nice and crusty here. If you keep spraying it over and over, it gets soggy, so you got to make that bark nice and crusty. We also wrapped it for an hour after it was cooked, so we let those meat juices redistribute in that chuck roast. This is definitely a must-do step. It allows it to get maximum tenderness. If you just eat it right away, it's going to be juicy, but it's not going to be as tender as it could be. Here, thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe and check me out for the next one. Thank you, God bless.